Namaste, I am Sandeep. I am just further detailing the spinal twist. In our previous videos, we come to know about the Vakrasana and Matsyasana. And in this series, we are just explaining about the Bharadwaj Asana. Bharadwaj Asana is named after the Rishi Bharadwaj. His sitting posture is complete as a yoga poses. So how to do the Rishi Bharadwaj Asana or Bharadwaj Asana, Bharadwaj twist? It is very effective for our lower back pain, lower back twisting and lower back flexibility. So we are just explaining and showing how to do. See, first of all, you sit in the star pose. After sitting in the star pose, your both legs are straight and your hands, you put your hand just beside your body. So it is a star pose. Then what we do? We just one leg in the Vajrasana, that is the diamond pose. We are just putting the one leg in the Vajrasana, that is the diamond pose. Then what we do? Just I will put the other leg over the left leg. First things, and then what you have to do? Just by twisting your body, you will hold this. Then see, just you have to reach it more and more. Then you can twist. And twist. Quite same, we will do in the other side. See. The most important thing is that you have to hold to your opposite hand. So you hold here. It is a little bit difficult. Then the next thing, you have to twist your shoulder as much as you can. Don't force your body. Gradually, when you come to know and when you practice, you do better. But from the starting, from the first day, you cannot do it better. So just focus it. Just feel it. So you twist. So the thing you have to just pay attention is that you should do twist your lower back and also your this. So this is the Bharadwaj Asana. Well, I am explaining it right better. So you come. First of all, you have to sit in the Vajrasana. Sorry, in star pose. That is the Dandasana. Then hold one leg in a Vajrasana, another just in the lotus poses. Then you twist your body and hold. Just you hold this and twist your body. Twist and put your hands, and as much as you can twist your upper body, you can twist. The thing is that you have to twist the upper body and keep in the rest position your lower body. The poses will be like that. So as much you twist your upper body, the flexibility you get. Quite same. In this pose, you will exhale here and hold. Same other side. How do you this in other side? Let's see. So fold the other leg and the other leg over it, and this time twist and put your hands here. First breathe in, then breathe out. In yoga, breathing is very important. If you are not breathing, then you are not doing yoga. So where to take to inhale and where to exhale, it is very important. So here is the exhaling and twisting. As much you twist your neck and shoulder, you will twist your also lower back, middle back and upper back. So okay. Thanks person. So it is you can say all of a sudden you cannot start these poses. For that you have to practice as I told in our earlier series, that is the Vakrasana and after that Matsyasana. These two you will do. Then after that you try. It is difficult to me also. So consider that thing that you will be also very difficult to you and other also. So hoping that you can understand, but don't forget properly where to inhale and where to exhale. It is very important in yoga, inhaling and exhaling. So okay. So if any problem, anything, you can just give me any suggestions, and but please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. And you can ask anything, any query, anytime, and I will explain that. Thank you.